got a Milka crunchy chocolate ice cream. This one comes from a supermarket on the Spanish island, Canary Islands. There is crunchy Milka chocolate surrounding the ice cream. Here comes the ingredients. The ice cream got produced under the license of a UK-based company. Here are the nutrition facts. Let us get the ice cream out. Here we can see crunchy pieces mixed under the chocolate. Let us have a bite. There is chocolate ice cream in the center, with 2 layers of white ice cream around it. The ice cream tastes like Milka full milk chocolate, but colder, because it's an ice cream. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.